She doesn't walk, she sways, she doesn't ask, she dares. Soy 6 2025, where lust isn't hidden, it's served on a plate. The sun slides slow down a satin sky. She leans in close, eyes running high. Scantily dressed to impress, no shame, just hips that whisper and lips that flame. Straw in her mouth, gloss on her pout. She knows what temptation's all about. Short shorts, bikini top tees, barefoot seduction in a tropical breeze. She's not looking for love, just eyes to catch. One glance and she struck the match. In soy 6 by day or late, every heart beats lust on a plate. She woke onto Sin Street, where the wild come late, serving up bodies like lust on a plate. Temptation in heels, passion in skin, where the night begins and never ends within. In 2025, she's hotter than ever, scantily dressed, cool but clever. She neon halos crown the streets, sweating bass in every beat. She's dancing slow, lips slightly apart, a walking fire with a dangerous heart. Temptation sips from a glowing glass. She bends like time, slow then fast. Every stare is paid in heat, every step echoes raw deceit. Bar lights flicker, the mood gets tight. Her shadow plays in red and white. She whispers, you've come for more, then pulls you behind a glowing door. She's not a fan, I'll see her in her game, and soon you'll forget your own name. In this wicked, erotic ballet, Soy 6 take everything and makes you stay. She welcome to Sin Street, where the wild conversate, serving my bodies like lust on a plate. Temptation in heels, passion in skin, where the night begins and never within. In 2025, she's hotter than ever, wantedly dressed, cool but clever. She goes parade like fire and silk, bronze skin dripping like honey milk. You chase regret with every kick, and still you beg for more of this. The rules, they met it long ago. Now it's neon touching undertow. It's your sin, she's your fate, and damn, she's lust on a platinum plate. Soy 6, she owns the night, dressed to undress under neon light. Temptation's voice with a perfect sway, calling you back eyed after days. Home goes hunger, your final stay. Skinny toey dress with lust and a plate. She's still there, still wild, still waiting, serving fantasy. One look at a time, Soy 6 revisitate 2025. Sunrise over Pattaya Bay, tuk-tuks rolling down the old highway. Coffee shops open, smiles in the light. Soy 6 wakes up after one crazy night. Girls in shade skirts catching the breeze, laughing loud with the rustle of palm trees. From the beach to the bar, life's never still. In 2025, it's got that same thrill. Soy 6, you still got your flame. From the break of dawn through the midnight game, revisited, alive in neon and sun. You're a suit of stories, never just one. Sunlit glow and the signs all glow, red and blue, lighting up the show. Girls line the doors with a playful stare, beats in the bars, perfume in the air. Mud-glow engines hum as the party begins, the rhythm of sin wrapped in cheeky grins. Every corner calls with a sweet delight. Soy 6 by day, but a queen at night. Years may pass, but the fire remains, every visitor drawn to its name. 2025, but the heart stays true. If you've walked Soy 6, it walks with you. Soy 6, you still got your flame. From the break of dawn to the midnight game, revisited, alive in neon and sun. You're a street of stories, never just one. So here's to the light. the girls to fight to the heart of Pattaya, day and night. Soy 6, we toast your wild, sweet drive, still turning heads in 2025. Morning breaks on the edge of desire. Sin Street sleeps, but the air's still on fire. Barefoot girls with lips like flame, whispers of passion, they know your name. Sunlight hits where secrets lie, under coconut trees and a velvet sky. From cafe smiles to the knowing wink, this street has more than you think. Soy 6, the Sin Street dream, where nothing's ever quite what it seems. From the heat of day to the neon night, it's passion dressed in red and white. Revisited in 2025, still burning, exotic and alive. Velvet shadows, hips that sway. Soy 6 turns gold at the end of day. Perfume trails and forbidden glances. Desire dances where danger romances. Bikinis flash under glowing signs. Girls like goddesses drawing lines. Every bar is a siren's call. One night here and you'll lose it all. Tattooed souls and stiletto fire. This street was built on raw desire. Soy 6, she's wild, she's sweet, the queen of lust on Sin Street. Soy 6, the Sin Street dream, where nothing's ever quite what it seems. From the heat of day to the neon night, it's passion dressed in red and white. Revisited in 2025, still burning, exotic and alive. She'll kiss you once, then leave you twice. Hearts are sold for half the price. But if you crave that midnight beat, you'll find your soul on Soy 6 Street. Welcome back to Sin Street, where desire isn't a whisper, it's a roar up to neon heat. 2025, same seduction, new temptation.
Morning spills like silk on skin, bare legs stretch where the stories begin. Lipstick stains on a plastic cup, she winks and you know you're already stuck. Golden haze on a half-drawn blind, she pulls you in with her sunlit mind. Tattooed thighs, barefoot tees, this paradise floats on a tropical breeze.
She's not love, she's not lie, she's passion in disguise. From iced coffee sip to a sultry grin, she drags you down where sins begin. Soy 6, the Sin Street flame, a walk of love, a lover's game. From midday dreams to midnight fire, every step a new desire. Revisited now in 2025, she breathes, she moans, she comes alive. Soy 6, when the sun dips the beach to rise, and Sin Street glows with hungry eyes. Girls in heels, boys in haze, everyone's lost in this neon maze. Bar signs flash like bedroom eyes, dark rooms hum with moaning sighs. You think you're a guest, no, you're the prey. As Soy 6 hunts you in her wicked ballet, the air taste of jasmine and sweat, a promise made you'll never forget. She leads you behind the velvet rope, where ropes and whispers dance with hope. Her tongue is truth, her nails deceive, her kisses burn and still you won't leave. One more drink, one more touch, everything's too little and far too much. Soy 6, the Sin Street flame, a walk of lust, a lover's bite. From midday dreams to midnight fire, every step